The extraordinary claim requires extraordinary evidence. The fundamental science is now changing. You either adapt or get left behind. If you are a chemistry student, for sure you are familiar with this equation. That is, in this video, your favorite equation is put into test and proof that is in an incorrect equation. Oh no! So, what is the extraordinary evidence then? The Challenger equation is the Leibniz-Cat or binary powered equation introduced by the Congruent theory 2022. Leibniz-Cat equal 3 summation 2 power n. This is the equation. The defendant equation is the 100-year-old most well-known equation that introduced by Bohr and Bury in 1921, which is 2n power 2. The evidence is n equal orbit number. How if n equals 0? This applies to chemistry. The defendant equation is equal 0. The empirical evidence number 1 given by Leibniz-Cat is equal 3. Here we given the lithium atom. We have a score here is 0, 1. How if n equal 1? Still apply in chemistry. The defendant have equal 2. Here maybe we given the helium. And the challenger n is 6 is carbon. The score now is 1, 2. How if n equal 2? Chemistry. The defendant is equal 8 or oxygen. The challenger is argon or acting electron. How if n equal 3? Still apply in chemistry. The defendant is acting or argon. The challenger becomes 42 or molybdenum. How if n equal 4? Chemistry. Defendant 32 or germanium. The challenger is thorium or 90. How if n equal 5? Still apply on chemistry. The defendant is 50 or tin. Other name is sand. But remember that this equation we stated there are no element has more than 32 electrons in any cell. So this 50 should be not applied for this equation. The Challenger equation have 186 electrons. With this, we know in chemistry they are not infinite yet. 186. The last one is 118. Now we see the further is the n equal 34 applied to astrophysics. The defendant equation is 2312. But again, because this equation have a stack by itself, we think no unknown element has more than 32 electrons in any cell. So, but the challenge equation have the point, which is 3 sigma 2 power 34 is equal 1.032 times 10 power 11. Here is the planet or star. This is the amount of the Milky Way galaxy. First of all, we see the Milky Way galaxy is that by once NASA estimated to get more than 100 billion or 10 power 11 planet in the Milky Way. This is from NASA. And Ptolemaic Albion was that it is that 34 different in order to arrive the satisfactory explanation of the motion of all the heavenly body now at the time. So we will see the 34 is from the Ptolemaic Albion and the amount on 10 power 11 in from NASA. So these two be connected in one equation, which is 3 sigma 2 power 34 equal 1.032 times 10 power 11. This is the connection. How if n equals 7? This will be applied to biology. Defendant is equal 98. Again, they stated no known element has more than 32 electrons in any cell. This is the statement. However, the challenge equation given the human chromosome between 3 sigma 2 power 7 divided by 18 equal 46 chromosome. Why divided by 18? because according to the Pauling statement, Pauling showed that there are no more than 2 electrons occupied in the one state. So this is the table. We show that where the 46 come from. Yeah, can pause it to see. This is the statement. Now this is the statement from human have 22 pair of the number chromosome and 1 pair of the sex chromosome, and for total of the 46 chromosome. Here another challenge given particle wave duality. Here we maybe amendment for the theory of everything 2.0. If particle, the Leibniz-Cat equation of capacity of particle tandem with Ptolemaic erbium, this information and capacity. If the wave omega equation, particle orbital tandem with Schrödinger equation, contour omega equation giving the boundary, Schrödinger is the contour. We just solved this century-long case of the mystery of the theory of everything, right? What are you think? Hello world, welcome to 25th century brand new equation for theory of everything 2.0, where introduce a brand new equation to the world is the Leibniz-Cat equation, binary power equation. Wait a moment. What is the congruent theory? Congruent theory is the knowledge pioneer that follow wherever the empirical evidence goes. And more about this topic, just click and collect by simply search the Congruent Theory series on Amazon.